guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a request to do some more hair videos, and I do have to admit I haven't really been doing that many hair videos recently, and I know like my most viewed video is a hair video, so a lot of you guys are from that video and want to see more content like that. I just decided to do a tutorial on how I do my slick down middle part bun. Could do a pony with this technique, but I decided to do a bun today. You can do it with short hair, medium length hair, long hair, and have like 4Z hair, and you can still be able to slick it down with some good old Ego Styler. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10K and we're more than halfway there, so if you guys could subscribe, that would be much appreciated. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm looking a bit rough right now, but that is okay. So last night what I did with my hair was I just wet it, put some cream in it, tied it back, and then braided the end of it. So now I'm just going to unbraid it. I took out my box braids the other day and I honestly regret it because I hate dealing with my actual hair. Just like down to there now. Pretty decent length. Anywho, I'm just gonna dampen my hair a little bit with some water in this spray bottle that I got from Dollarama. I got this spray bottle in the gardening section because the spray bottles they had in the beauty section were so small, and it's like I have a lot of hair that needs a lot of water, so I just got the gardening spray bottle and it's honestly better, so I highly recommend you get this one from the gardening section over the ones in the beauty section. If you want, you can actually add like some oils or whatever into your water mixtures. I think that's good enough. I got an ad on Instagram for this brush, and it's like supposed to detangle your hair with no pain and less shedding and stuff like that. It's honestly pretty okay. I haven't been using it for that long, so I can't really give you guys a solid review on it yet, but I don't know, first impressions, I pretty like it, so, and my mom used it on her hair and she also likes it, and it's cool because look, it has like different parts in it. I recommend detangling from the ends up, but sometimes I just get lazy and but it's better to detangle from the ends up. Sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder, I'm just trying to make sure that I can see what I'm doing since I don't have a mirror. I should have grabbed a mirror, I don't know why I didn't. Anywho, it's whatever. Okay, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go charge it and continue detangling my hair. Okay guys, I'm too impatient to wait for my camera battery to charge. So we're just gonna have to deal with my iPhone quality. Sorry, but let's continue on with this tutorial. I just finished detangling my hair, and now as you can see, it's all shrunken up and it's shrinkage glory. Now going with my Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk Lotion Thingamabobber just to add some moisture to the hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just sandwiching my hair in between my hands just so that the lotion can distribute throughout the strands and really get all up in there, because sometimes when you put lotion on your hair, the lotion tends to just go on the outer parts of the hair and not really get in between those strands. I'm just gonna spritz my hair lightly because it's starting to dry a bit, and like you just want to keep your hair moisturized and damp. Okay, when I'm done combing through my hair and moisturizing it, I will split my hair in half. Going to comb right there at the back to make sure that I really get the roots back there. I'm gonna go in with my Ego Styler gel. This is the original olive oiled one. Struggle to open it. Take some of the gel and I'm going to focus it mainly at my roots and then work it down, not to my ends, but like work it down to where I'm going to grip my ponytail. Make sure to really get the nape area. I'm going to go in with a Boar Brittle brush. This kind of brush, you know what I'm talking about, the BB brush. That's what we're gonna call it. Start smoothing my roots down. Really try to focus to get your roots nice and smooth, because let me tell you, almost knocked over the water bottle. The roots are important. I'm using my hand to hold down the roots so that it can stay straight when I brush it down. And don't forget to really, ignore how raunchy my edges look. Oh my gosh, why do my edges look like that? I'm sorry. Don't forget to scoop up the nape area also. And when you have it all smoothed down into a ponytail, I like to then go in, hold in the ponytail, and really focus on my edge bits, some gel, and then I go in with the brush and really smooth it down. Slicked, not slicked. So let's slick down the other side. We're gonna take another hair tie and we're just going to tie down the bottom so it doesn't interfere while we're slicking down the top part. Bun with the bottom bit so that it's just out of the way. We're going to take a rat tail comb and use the tail bit just to get our part perfect. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the bottom half. I'm going to first go in and dampen the hair a little bit. Going to take some of the gel, and what I do for the top part that's a little different is I first go in underneath the hair and really try to get the roots that are down in the center. Because I feel like if the roots in the middle of your hair is not properly slicked down, then your hairstyle will not be that flat. So really try to get the gel to the roots underneath your hair. Pineapple hairstyle would look so cute. Anywho, I'm just gonna go in with the brush and just, actually not the brush, let's go in with the detangling comb just to really. Okay, now I'm going to take some gel and put it at the top part. Like right now I'm doing 2 sections, but if your hair is shorter than mine and it really struggles to get into that low bun, then do more sections. Try doing 3, 4, even 5 sections. Like really divide your hair up, put in your gel, really slick that hair back, and do it in as many sections as you need to until you're able to grip it into that low bun. So I'm just going in and really slicking the hair down. And once again, I'm using my hand to hold down my hair while I'm brushing it through so that it stays laid down like that. And then I'll do the same to the other side. I'll take the second hair elastic. So I still have that low bun that I did the first time. I'm just taking the second hair elastic and I'm not really even tying the hair down because it's not going to stay there for long. I'm just going to plop it over just like that so that it stays down. But what I'm going to do now is take a little bit more gel and I'm really just going to smooth it because as you can see we have little frizz up there. So I'm taking a tiny bit of the gel, or if you have any hold-in spray you can use that too if you don't want to use as much gel as I'm using. And I'm really just smoothing it over on top, and I'm going back in with the brush to just really smooth it out. And if you have a little edges brush, you can use that to swish your edges. Let me take out the second hair tie that we put there. Okay, finally got it out. So once you got those 2 elastics out of your hair, just once again really smooth the hair back. And then I'm going to take just one of the elastics and tie down my hair real nice and tight. That looks good. If you want, you can just leave your ponytail as it is, but what I'm going to do, because I want my ponytail to be stretched out a little bit, I'm just gonna go in and braid the bottom parts. And I just swirl the ends so I don't have to use the hair elastic to tie it off. And I'm going to take my hair tie and just tie my hair down so that it will dry a bit and stay laid. I feel as though if you don't tie your hair down, then obviously you dampened your hair for the moisture and product to really work in it. But if you do a slicked down bun and you don't tie it down, I just find that your hair just starts instead of it looking laid down, it's gonna start like curling up. And you just don't want that. Keep your hair laid down for as long as you can. I really recommend sleeping with your hair tied down, but if you're going out, then try to... I'm so sorry if you can hear my brother in the background. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep my hair tied down, and I will be back when I am done and when my face is looking somewhat better. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back and I took off the head wrap. As you can see, it's not as smooth as I'd like it to be because I couldn't leave it on overnight since I am going out right now. I still have my braid in. I'm just going to unbraid it real quick. Do a quick little bun. Just like, okay, much better. Okay. So yeah, this is how I do my slicked down bun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!